we came out with the idea of a course we call Capstone Now, which gives students the opportunity to integrate their knowledge and work on open-ended questions.
We partnered with Kensho. Their goal is to use artificial intelligence to create financial insights.
We're trying to identify all the objects in the text and link it to Wikipedia.
We're a network of radio telescopes. We use some of the premier observatories across the world. And one of the things we struggle with every year is which nights to do our observations that we can then use to image black holes.
We have to innovatively design these things because there's no literature review, there's no previous work that have done on similar works. We start all from scratch. We're meeting with them after this poster session to deliver the final software that we built for this project.
Collaborating with AP was a lot of fun. We had a chance to look at their immense article and image data set, and here we have a working user interface for AP's internal use as well as for external editors, and throughout the process they were very cooperative. They encouraged us to work on particular areas that they thought they would actually use in their systems.
This project is very interesting because it combines a lot of different components of machine learning, including NLP and also like computer vision and also recommendation systems. So it's a good combination of like things that we got a little bit training in the classes but didn't really have a chance to like practice it in real world settings yet.
I was with 3 other partners and we were basically working on using computer vision to automatically detect road damage, but not only detect road damage, but classify how bad it is. So we were partnering with Daimler and we were working with their innovation lab called Lab 1886.
Our data, all the images we have, are captured by smartphone cameras mounted on the dashboards of vehicles. Paint is essential for self-driving cars trying to navigate around roads. I really wanted to do a representative project to figure out if data science would be for me as a future career path. And I really got the chance to get my hands dirty to see what unclean data looks like.
Google researchers were very clear about what they wanted us to study. They wanted us to take this neural architecture search problem and apply it in particular to some scientific data sets that hadn't really been studied.
You know, when you're working on a new problem that others have not done, there's a lot of unknowns. How to properly tune all of these hyperparameters and twist the knobs that we need to twist in order to make this work in the real world.
I hear from students that Capstone is one of the things they will talk at the interview. As far as I know, most of them are employed already and they're ready to go.